So this gear train has 3 gears. Gear C, which is in external engagement with gear B, which is in internal engagement with gear A. B and C are connected by means of an arm here. Now, if you observe the given data, gear A has 72 teeth, so TA equal to 72. Gear C has 32 teeth, TC equal to 32. First, we will determine the unknown number of teeth on gear B. So, to determine the unknown number of teeth on gear B, I am going to write the pitch circle radii equation. So, if you observe this gear train, radius of C here plus diameter of B, that means the total length is equal to radius of A here. Okay, so radius of C plus 2 times radius of B equal to radius of A. This circle radius is mt divided by 2. So by using that, we can simplify the equation. Substitute TA and TC, we got TB equal to 20. Okay. So first we have to determine the unknown number of teeth. Then I am going to form a table here. So to form the table here, so the first one is the condition. The second column is speed of arm. The third column is I am going to give 1 RPM to any one of the gears. So in this case, assume that I am giving 1 RPM to gear C. Okay. So because gear C is connected to gear B, next column is speed of B. Because gear B is connected to gear A, next column is speed of A. Okay. Now, so I am going to fix the arm. I am going to give 1 RPM to C. Because I have fixed the arm, speed of arm is 0. I have given 1 RPM to C, so speed of C is 1. Because C and B are connected to each other, I can write the ratio for speeds in terms of teeth, inversely proportional. So NB by NC equal to TC by TB. So I can substitute here and I can get the speed of B as 1.6. Then to find speed of A, because A and B are connected to each other, so I can write NA by NB equal to TB by TA. I can substitute the 3 parameters and I can get speed of A is 0.44. Now check the signs. If you go back to this, see if C is rotating in clockwise, B rotates in anti-clockwise, B in anti-clockwise, A in anti-clockwise. That means C in one direction, B and A in opposite directions. So if I take C as plus, for B and A, I can take minus. Then multiply the entire row with X. So 0, this is plus X, minus 1.6X, minus 0.44X. Add Y. You will get the third one. So if you observe this table, speed of arm is Y, speed of C is X plus Y, speed of B is minus 1.6X plus Y, speed of A is minus 0.44X plus Y. Now check the conditions which are given in the problem, solve for X and Y. So in this problem, two conditions are given to you. One is speed of arm is 18, but speed of arm we got that as Y, so Y is 18. Another condition is gear A is fixed, but we got gear A speed as minus 0.44X plus Y. So fixed means it is 0. So by solving these two equations, I will get X and Y. Now you are asked to determine speed of C. Speed of C is X plus Y. So you will get the speed of C as 58.5 RPM. So if you want to solve a problem, first determine the unknown number of teeth, form the table, then go through the conditions. Using those conditions, find X and Y, then find the unknown speeds. Now take this problem. Now in this problem, we have gear C. Gear C is connected to gear D. D and E are mounted on the same shaft. E is connected to gear G. Now if you observe here, there are two shafts. Gear C is connected to shaft A. Same shaft. So ND equal to NE. Whenever two gears are mounted on the same shaft, the speeds are equal. A is attached to C. So NA equal to NC. G is attached to B. So NG equal to NB. Now go to the problem. Note down the given number of teeth and check whether there are any unknown number of teeth or not. Now if you observe here, the number of teeth on C, D and E are given to you. C, D and E are given to you, but the number of teeth on G is not given. So to find number of teeth on G, we have to use the radius equation. So the radius equation is RC, observe the circles here, RC plus RD plus RE. That means this total radius, this total is equal to the radius of the fish circle for G, which is RG. So Rg equal to Rc plus Rd plus Re. Convert that into number of teeth, substitute the given number of teeth, find the unknown Tg, which is 105. Okay, now again I am going to the table here. So what is the table here? So first I am going to give 1 RPM to C. When I give 1 RPM to C, C is connected to D. So next I will find D, ND. ND equal to NE. E is connected to G. So next I will find NG. Okay, so I will start with C. First I will find NC, then ND, ND equal to NE, then NG. So NC, ND, NG. Okay. C is connected to shaft A, so both speeds are equal. D is connected, D and E are on the same shaft, so both speeds are equal. G is connected to shaft B, so both speeds are equal. So the 1 RPM, so I have fixed the arm, so speed of arm is 0. I have given 1 RPM to C. C and D are connected, so I can write the relation between ND and NC here. Then I can get ND. E and G are connected, so I can write the relation between E and G. I can get NG here. Then check the signs here. When C rotates in one direction, off. So C plus means D minus. D and E are mounted on same shaft, so E also minus. E and G are connected internally, so same sense, so G also minus. So once I put the signs here, then I can multiply everything with X, then add Y. So this is speed of arm, speed of C is X plus Y, speed of D is minus 2.5 X plus Y, speed of G is minus 0.833 X plus Y. Now check the conditions. Two conditions are given to you. NA 100 RPM, gear G is fixed. So NA 100 RPM means X plus Y is 100. Gear G is fixed. That means minus 0.833 X plus Y is 0. Solve for X and Y, then find the unknown speed, speed of arm. Now observe this gear train here. We have gear D, which is connected to gear F. F is in internal engagement with gear B. D and C are mounted on the same shaft. CE are connected with each other externally. E is in internal engagement with gear A. Now, if you observe the given number of teeth, the given number of teeth are ND, NF, NC and NE. So I will write one relation here for number of teeth of P. I will write another equation for number of teeth on A. Okay. So first, what is the relation here? RD. This is diameter of F, which is 2 times radius, equal to RB. Now, if you observe the second part here, RC plus diameter of E equal to RA. So using those two relations, I got TB and TA. Then, to form the table, I have started with gear A. So I have given 1 RPM to gear A. A and E are attached with each other. So I can write NE by NA. I will get NE. E and C are in engagement with each other. So I can write NC by NE. I will get NC. C and D are mounted on the same shaft, so NC equal to ND. D and F are in engagement with each other. So I can write NF by ND. F and B are in engagement with each other. So I can write NB by NF. So starting with A, then NE, then NC, which is ND, then NF, then NB. So write the speed ratio in terms of teeth ratio. Then multiply with X, add Y, use the two conditions, find X and Y, find the unknown speed NB. Now, see this problem here. So this problem has 4 gears. Gear D, which is in engagement with gear C, which is in engagement with gear B, which is in internal engagement with gear A. Internal engagement with gear A. Again, you can write the relation between pitch circle radii. So RD plus diameter of C plus diameter of B, which is equal to radius of A. So using that, you can get unknown number of T. Here also I have started with gear A. I have given 1 RPM to gear A. A is connected to B, so I have determined NB. B is connected to C, so I have determined NC. C is connected to D, I have determined ND. Okay. So speed ratio in terms of teeth ratio. Once I have filled the table, then I have used the conditions which are given in the problem. I got X and Y, and then I have determined unknown speed. Now, suppose in the same problem, if you are asked to determine the ratio of speeds, you will be given only one condition. Suppose if you are given that wheel A is fixed, so X plus Y is 0. Then get the ratio of X and Y. Use that ratio to determine NC by ND. Now you can observe here, using the condition, I got X by Y equal to -1. Now I am asked to determine NC by ND. So NC by ND, I have taken Y as common. Whatever X by Y value I got, I have used that value here, and I got NC by ND here. In the same way, you can solve the last problem also. Even in this problem also, I have started with NA. Okay, I have started with NA. So A is in engagement with B. So you can write NB by NA, get NB. B and C are compound. So NB equal to NC. C is in engagement with D. So you can write ND by NC and get ND. Okay. Then use the conditions given, find out the unknown speed.